Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you the example of complex number. What is a complex number? The number of the form of a plus ib where ab are real number and I equal to n root of minus 1, that is called as a complex number. The complex number denote z. Okay, with that z equal to a plus ib. This is the first example of z is a 8 plus 7 equal to a plus ib. In this example 8 times 7, that is a real number, but 8 is a real part of z and 7 is a imaginary part of z. Okay, 8 is a real part of z and 7 is a imaginary part of z. Okay, it is means a plus ib equal to 8 plus 7i, real part of z, that is called as 8 here, and imaginary part of z, that is called as 7 here. 7 is a imaginary part of z, right? Next example, in this example real part of z are absent. In second example the real part of z are absent here, only present imaginary part of z, means b are present here but a is not present. Okay, means that the form of a plus ib here 0 plus 6i and real part of z, that is called as 0 and b is that is called as 6. Next 4 minus 7i, the form of complex number is a plus ib. A is 4 here, okay, but b is minus 7 because the form of complex number is a plus ib. Okay, means that a is 4 plus plus b is minus 7, I are constant. आयला पण कॉन्स्टंट ठेवला या ठिकाणी, आयला पण काय ठेवला, कॉन्स्टंट ठेवला. म्हणजे काय बघा आता यामध्ये in this example the real part of z is 4 here and b is minus 7. B means that imaginary part of z. In this example 8 plus root minus 36 means that बघा 8 plus बघा या ठिकाणी 8 plus under root of minus 36 equal to a plus ib, means that 8 plus under root of 36 I equal to a plus ib and 8 plus 6i equal to 8 plus ib. Root 36 is that 6 here. Okay, means that this is the formula 8 plus 6i. Okay, a is 8 and b is 6 here. Okay, that in this example 9 plus root 7i, that is called as a plus ib. This is z here, this is z, but 9 plus root I, 9 plus root 7I equal to A plus IB, means that A is a 9 here and root 7 is the B. In this example, imaginary part of Z are absent here, means that B are absent, means that B are absent. Okay, so this is a form here, 10 plus root 7 plus 0I. Real part of Z are present here, means that B are present, 10 plus root 7, but imaginary part of Z are absent in this example, so it is called 0 here. Okay, and thank you that.